Welcome to Summit Tailors, where we do all kinds of color science, light physics, and color matching all the time.
Science?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me about science? What do you mean?
Light is something that we can't really explain. There are photons, which are particles of light, but they move in wavelengths, and basically we cannot understand the exact properties of light. But we can understand how light interacts with objects and causes wavelengths to bounce back to our eyes, which is color.
Interesting.
Okay?
So it's because of light that we see color?
Yeah, it's because of the light that hits the object that we see the colors.
And then the
Yes.
is the bouncing back.
Is what we see. So
what
for
we see.
example, blue light has a very short wavelength, looks like this. But red light has a very long wavelength. So here in the back of the house, we've used white lighting. I don't know the exact bulb that we use, but we're mimicking pure white sunlight so that we can see the colors as accurately as possible when we're working with them. For example, I'm working on a prom dress that's made of this dusty blue stretchy satin. I have to find a thread to be able to sew this that doesn't stand out against the fabric. So I'm going to take it up to my threads and take a look at what we have. This one looks like it could blend. Now, I guess this could be loosely classified as a metamerism since it's a completely different spectral and chemical makeup which reflects a similar color to my eye. And then, when we can't rely on metamerism for unusual shades like this, we just rely on acceptable matches. This should be fine. So we have white light in the back of the house, but we have even whiter light in the front of the house. We used to have pretty yellow lights in here so as not to create such a harsh environment, but as we found when clients were trying to order suits and identify which fabrics they wanted, we were always stepping outside to be able to view the fabrics under sunlight conditions so as to see their truest color. We noticed that when they were under a more yellow illuminant, it obscured the true hue of the fabric. The specific hue pleases Josue.
The gray just doesn't look good, and I think it's because gray is a color that has blue as its undertone, and so it's very cool.
Is that a scientific observation?
It is a scientific.
What is this
observation.
one? This is blue or is gray? Looks
That's
gray.
not. This one is really confusing, actually.
Yeah.
Is
But is
that-
it blue?
I think you're right. I think it is gray, but it looks blue because it's got this blue, then red, then like two pink stripes.
You might say
In
that
each stripe.
I think it's blue.
You might say that it is blue, but is an extremely low saturation or extremely low chroma.
That
blue.
makes sense.